Hello, welcome to my channel. You can see snow came down last night. It's about 3 to 4 inches. So this is a really dense snow. It's not fluffy. So today I'm going to use my Craftsman 24-inch Craftsman Snowblower. This one it has an electric start. This is like an 8-year-old snow blower already. It's been with, I bought this since 2016. So, alright, the first thing we need to do, we need to see when you put away your snow blower, make sure that you empty out the gas tank, because you don't want any stale gas in there. Stale gas not going to start your snow blower. Always put in fresh gas, because you got the stale gas is gonna have a hard time starting your snowblower. Just put in a fresh, and I just did an oil change on this I think last month, so this should be good to go. Okay. The snow is not very fluffy, kind of heavy, so the trick is you don't want the snow to get stuck in the chute, so use Pam. Okay, Pam is with spray some Pam into the chute. Just spray a little bit. Yeah, the snow is pretty so next thing you should have is like earplugs, because it's anything over like 85 decibel, I believe it's can ruin your ear. I think the snow blower is louder than that, probably 90. So have a pair of good earplugs. You don't want to ruin your ear. Make sure you have a pair of good gloves. You know, if it's gonna be outside for a long time, as you know, you don't want frostbite, and it's a good idea to wear a hood. Have a hood like this, so that okay, let's start this up. So that's it. Make sure you clean off the snow from your snow blower, clean everything from the chute and everything, and so this way when you start it up again, you know, you wouldn't have any ice forming inside here. When ice forming in there, it's like it wouldn't turn the auger when you start the you know, you can start up the snowblower, but when you try to turn the auger, the smoke will be coming out. So that's another tip right here before you put it away. So make sure, don't put your hand inside there. Always use this little plastic thing that provided you when you bought those. So that's it. That's all I have. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.